Salut tout le monde. Today we're going to look at conjugating regular IR verbs. For my example today, I'm going to conjugate the verb accomplir, which is a regular IR verb. To conjugate an IR verb, you follow the same process as you would a regular ER verb. You first remove the IR, which leaves you your stem. So in this case, with the verb accomplir, which means to accomplish, you drop the IR, which then leaves you your stem ACCOMPL. And then depending on your pronoun, then you add the appropriate endings. So in the case of IR verbs, the endings go as follows. For je, the ending is IS. For tu, the ending is IS as well. For il and elle, the ending is IT. For nous, the ending is ISSONS. For vous, the ending is ISSEZ. And for il and elle, plural, the ending is ISSENT. So for example, when you conjugate the verb accomplir, you get j'accomplis, I accomplish or I'm accomplishing. Tu accomplis, you are accomplishing or you accomplish. Il, he accomplishes or is accomplishing. Elle, she accomplishes. If you want to use a gender neutral option, you can use EL. The ending is still the same, so EL accompli, they, non-binary or gender neutral, accomplish. Nous accomplissons, we are accomplishing. Vous accomplissez, you are accomplishing or you accomplish. And ils accomplissent, they are accomplishing, or elles accomplissent, they are accomplishing. And now a few examples of how to use the verb accomplir in a sentence. So the first one is j'accomplis mes tâches chaque jour. I accomplish my tasks each day. Our second sentence is nous accomplissons un projet important cette année. We are accomplishing an important project this year. Our third and final example is elles accomplissent leurs objectifs avec détermination. They are accomplishing their goals with determination. So some fun facts about the verb accomplir. Originally it was a Latin verb, the verb compere, and then it later appeared in French around 980 as the verb complir. The AC prefix doesn't get added till much later. The verb enters the English language as accomplish around the 14th century, so around the 1300s. So the verb accomplir is one of the older verbs in French. It has a long history. It goes, like I said, it goes back all the way to the Latin, which of course is over 2,000 years ago. So just some fun facts about the verb accomplir. It doesn't really appear in French until about 980, and then we adopted as an English word around the 1400s. So I think that's kind of cool. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial about how to conjugate regular IR verbs. And also hopefully you enjoyed some of the fun facts about the verb accomplir. After all, how could you not? All right, salut tout le monde. Until next time, à la prochaine. Au revoir.